sing black or white.
Yes.
That time.
Yes.
But now you have showed them.
Our guys, they talk. They don't know say they're supposed to keep quiet.
I don't know why.
Our guys, they talk. They don't know say they're supposed to keep quiet.
I don't know
what's wrong to them. Anyway, now good evening and welcome on top of the night show for today. My name is Nanedu _ me, Katim, and Easy Beat. Don't sit down to make sure so your evening is super well. What's up? What's happening? What's cracking like it? More give them pose. Yeah. Holy beat. Hollywood pose. Nollywood.
Nollywood.
Them poster.
Yeah, me.
Anyway, today for on top of the show, we get guests, but we're not going to tell you who them be until the Kanawaka enter. If you see the girl.
No, so you know what we're going to do? In the first 3 minutes of the show, we give you a chance to guess the guess.
No, they're not fit.
No, describe.
That guy was like, say we be wish.
No, you're supposed to.
You said you wicked.
No.
How you see a person guess the guess?
I don't know. Until I for say time on top. Describe the specimen of the guest. Then they go get them. Are you doubting your description?
Yellow.
Yes.
Eh?
In other words, just say no color TV.
Yes. Flat screen. Color TV. Not stone to decay.
No.
It is not Kosio Jaka.
Mba.
It is not who? Cynthia Morgan Bleach. No, Samoda not join.
No,
Nadia
this one.
Buhari, Juliet
Nadia Buhari is not Nadia Buhari.
Juliet
And this
Ibrahim.
one.
It's not Juliet Ibrahim.
No.
This one not Bleach.
I tell.
Follow come.
It's a national something. And
Ian follow come.
it's in Nollywood.
Then Hollywood.
And it's in Nollywood. I know a Nollywood somebody.
How she get?
La Sabia Redus.
No, that's Scalamabush. And La Sabia Redus.
Yes.
The two of them. And her name, she got first English name.
Yes.
And what
and the other one.
And the
if
other
you
one.
see my eye doing like this, you know what it means.
My brothers and sisters in the Lord,
Yes.
she will make you backslide.
She will make you become
She will make you
white.
sin. You know that? She will make you lose your salvation in the twinkling of an eye. You know that kind of one, when he be say, that kind of one she go call and say, please, come and take. Come and take
Shave the
it.
hair.
Come and take it.
Take it.
Then the angel go whisper to you, no, don't go. Don't fall into temptation.
Then you go turn look the angel.
I better not vex.
He say,
You can fall for this one.
he said,
Anyway.
don't be annoying.
For us to start today, landlord. Una know that one before.
Let me make a rest,
Our police,
Landlord.
Inspector General of Police.
Ankiro, we have quite a number.
No, not be that one. Wait,
Imani Etemiyang.
no, not be it me.
Imani the other one went no
Hey, another.
no. Imani the other one from the northeast. No, we get one Igbo.
So no, just call him Michael Kiro.
Who him be?
Now before the
Okay, in the
police.
sell okra now for okay. They been telling me.
But we hear say landlord give and quit notice for Abuja. Una don't know that is Inspector General of Police. They say landlord give and quit notice for Abuja. But you not supposed to get it before Inspector General of Police. But the question why you not supposed to get your own house.
No, they don't come at that time. I don't know whether the operation backslide gate was operation in existence.
I don't know, but they say landlord give them, so I beg. If you get house, if not true, I not talk before they can't go hold us tomorrow.
No, they don't fit hold us. They do. Our word is our power.
Then the next story.
Why did they ginger for the next story?
Hey! Sanusi from what guess? All those guests when they say them money for money.
Where Akaraka did? Okay, Akaraka travel. Go,
she
he go Italo.
She go Italy.
Oh,
She go
young idiot. That's why.
You know all those guests when they say them body for money, aka prostitutes.
AKA
Then
SF.
beat the aka those guys when they Sanusi from what una know what then they call them. Police, then he beat one policeman. Yeah, I could even think I could a pan. He says he is used to them.
Yes.
In the patronize them.
That's why he say.
So in the fear, in don't they think I say if the fee beat police, who am I?
Maybe you are too much. Everybody, we talk that news here. Nobody say pin.
Nobody say
Only ECB.
But only ECB shock.
ECB.
He. Now smarty boss are Jesus. But come hold on, come do E. What did the policeman do? I don't know where. But then gather. Beat the man. Beat his silly.
I don't know.
Okay, but yes, say the more policeman be want arrest them when then they do their work. They say that they walk out for streets. Policeman, you don't go Sanitifa from 1 for night. So one day,
I don't go there.
I tell you now. So one day I try.
Where you go?
Wait now.
Which time?
I go.
You don't go some to move on for
That thing not heavy now. See, don't come out in the my hand now.
Come on, my own.
This thing pain you.
Spend me now. I need some for that. You don't know me, girl.
But for you now, man. Not be in. They say they walk out for road. Policeman can't arrest them. As policeman arrest them, then they arrange beat the policeman.
No, you see my question. Me say, see I'm no policeman. I don't say anything. Why will he go like a lone wolf in the night?
I'm not I don't know.
That's the problem.
I don't know.
Those
Maybe.
kind of high risk place, you don't go alone.
Anyway, more basketball chicken and broke on to come back. Our guests for today, we're not
No,
going to see them, we're not going to tell them their
guesties.
name. Guesties. Okay, one guest, two guesties.
Yes.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.